What's going on, everyone? This is Julian Jackson, and welcome to the Open House Training Playlist. Inside this series, you're going to learn how to strategically use open houses to consistently generate buyer and seller leads without cold calling, without chasing strangers online, and without relying only on referrals. You'll learn how to attract more traffic to your open houses, how to properly engage visitors without sounding salesy, how to convert conversations into appointments, how to generate buyer and seller opportunities from one event, and how to turn open houses into a predictable lead source for your business. But understand something. The open house strategy is only one part of the predictable pipeline formula, because generating leads is only the first step. The real system is built around three things. First, capture leads through strategies like the ultimate open house. Second, convert those leads using AI conversations, follow-up systems, retargeting, nurture campaigns, and ecosystem marketing through VoiceFunnels. And third, close those leads through appointment setting, presentations, objection handling, and conversion systems. So while this playlist is going to teach you how to capture the leads, the real magic happens when the entire system works together. So if you'd like to see the entire predictable pipeline formula in action, including how the AI voice agent automatically follows up with the leads you capture so you can focus on appointments and closing, check the link in the description below. I also included free bonuses and additional trainings to help you build the complete system. Now let's jump into the open house training.